Two cars, same drive-through line, same Friday night. You already formed an opinion about both drivers. Everyone would. Car number 1, a Toyota Camry, 0 miles, dealer sticker still on the back, new plates, LED mirrors that flash when it locks. It looks like success. Car number 2, a Honda Civic 2012, 180,000 miles, a scratch on the passenger door, transmission that hesitates in reverse. Looks like struggle. Now let me tell you what the data actually says about who probably has money in that line. Sid already knows, and it is going to flip everything you assumed. The average new car payment in America hit $735 a month in Q4 2024. That is Edmunds data. $735 every month for 60 months, before insurance, before registration, before the first repair bill. This video is about stealth wealth, the financial strategy that does not show up on Instagram, doesn't get likes, doesn't impress anyone at the drive-thru, but it is the only one that actually works, and Sid is going to prove it. Meet Jake, new job, first real paycheck, 26 years old, and the hustle house was already waiting for him. The Camry stickered at $34,500. With taxes, fees, and financing, Jake signed for $41,200, 60 months at 7.9%. Total paid $49,800 for a $34,500 car. But that is not the real number. The moment Jake drove off that lot, the car lost $6,900 in value. Not in a year, not in a month. The instant it stopped being new. Year 1 recap. Loan payment totaling $8,820. Insurance, $2,400. Registration, $400. First dealer maintenance to keep the warranty valid, $600. The vine is already tightening. In 5 years, that Camry is worth $18,000. Jake paid $49,800. He lost $31,800 in depreciation, plus $16,000 in insurance and maintenance over those 5 years. $47,800 gone just to drive a car. The Hustle House never shows you the second price, the one that does not fit on the window sticker, the one that does not appear in the monthly payment calculator, the one that costs you everything. Same company, same paycheck, same Friday. Meet Maya. She drove to work in a 2015 Civic she bought for $4,200. Cash, paid off, done. No vine attached. Maya took what would have been Jake's car payment, $735 a month, and set it to transfer automatically to the lazy market on the first of every month, before anything else, before groceries, before coffee, before the rent hits. That is called paying yourself first, and after that one setup, Maya never had to think about it again. The machine was running. Sleeping money. Doing exactly what sleeping money does. Year 1, $9,500 in the lazy market. She did not check it every day. She did not move it when the market dipped. She did not post about it. Set it. Go take a nap. Year 5, $54,000. 8% real return. Every month, she did not think about it. The money was compounding. The lazy bank does not need you to watch it. It just needs you to leave it alone. Nobody at the office knew. Not Jake, not the boss, not anyone in that drive-through line. It doesn't show. That's the entire point. Year 10. Jake just finished paying off his second car loan. He earns more now. The new payment is $890 a month. That is how the vine works. It does not stay still. It grows with you. Year 10. Maya. $134,000 in the lazy market. This year, she bought a better car than Jake's. Cash. No loan. No vine. No hustle house. Just sleeping money that finally woke up for something she actually wanted. Year 20. Jake is on his 4th car. 4 loans. 4 insurance spikes, 4 rounds of depreciation eating his equity before it forms. The Hustle House has collected over $200,000 from him, and he has nothing to show for it. Year 20. Maya. $406,000. Sleeping money, still growing. She has not changed her lifestyle dramatically. She just never let the vine in, and compound interest rewarded her for exactly that. Year 30. Jake, still running the wheel. Still, a new car every 5 years. Still, the vine tighter than it has ever been. Still. And the number in his investment account? 0. Still. Year 30. Maya. $1,100,000. $1,100,000. From a $735 monthly decision she made when she was 25 years old. The sloth in the scratch Civic at the drive-thru might be the richest one in that line. You would never know. That is the point. The lazy bank does not fit in a cup holder, but it grows while you sleep. Here is why it is so hard. Your brain was literally designed to signal status. It is biology. When you see a shiny new car, your nervous system says, that is safety. That is belonging. The Hustle House built their entire business model on that one primal signal. And one upgrade never comes alone. Economists call it the Diderot effect. New car needs better insurance. Better insurance feels wrong with the old apartment. New apartment needs furniture. Furniture needs a TV. One Vine. 5 monthly payments. None of them asked for permission. Sid's lazy car strategy. 3 moves. Move 1. Never finance a car that costs more than 1 monthly take-home pay. If you cannot buy it in a year of saving, it is not your car yet. Move 2. Take whatever you would have paid monthly and set it to the lazy market automatically before anything else hits your account. Move 3. Leave it alone. Do not touch it. The compound does the rest. The numbers behind this episode. Average American new car payment, Q4 2024. $735 per month. Source, Edmunds. Average depreciation, year 1, 20%. Source, Carfax and KBB. $735 per month invested at 8% per year for 30 years. $1,100,000. Source, Compound Interest Calculator. The car did not cost the payment, it cost the million. Subscribe. Next episode. 25 smart money words the Hustle House hopes you never learn. The ones that separate people who sound financially informed from people who actually are. Sid will be there, in the hammock, as always. Set it. Go take a nap.